Everyone talking about Bergamot by Commodity. The notes in this are Italian bergamot, Brazilian green mandarin oil, Clementine oil, Jasmine Sambac, Moroccan spearmint, Egyptian geranium, patchouli, vetiver, blonde musk, and violet leaves. And yeah, I really enjoy this. At times, it even reminds me a little bit of one of my all-time favorite fragrances, Sur La Route by Louis Vuitton. And this opens to me kind of smelling like a sort of fresh lemon lime soda with like a sprinkle of vetiver. It's not as like Earl Grey like as some bergamot centered scents are, which I appreciate actually. This is, I would say, my favorite Commodity fragrance for most phases of it. I'm not saying it's objectively the best by any means, but just for my taste, because I really like aromatic citrus with like some vetiver like that. I think it's a really nice pair. Also, this has low to moderate longevity and projection, so that doesn't bother me, but just FYI, if that's a deal breaker for you, this isn't going to be a good one. But it's a nice, like, it could work for so many different kind of occasions when you just want like some fresh citrus type of vibe with some vetiver. And I don't enjoy the like very end of the dry down as much because patchouli and violet leaf is a combination that I really don't like. But even then, it doesn't get super pungent like those sometimes can. Overall, though, I definitely do like most of it quite a bit, and I would say it's unisex leaning masculine. And I will link in the description where you can get the Commodity Archive Kit where you can try a sample of this. It's discontinued, but there are still some places you can get it as of recording this.